Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to analyze share prices of L&T and Sun Pharma. In this analysis, we are going to use technical tools like support, resistance, retracement and moving averages. First we'll analyze L&T, then we'll move to Sun Pharma. My name is Srishant. If you like my video, please subscribe and please like my channel. So this is Larsen and Toubro share chart. We can analyze with whatever the tools we have mentioned. With use of that, we can analyze and we can arrive a conclusion whether we can go for fresh buying or we have to exit our position or something. So first we'll find out what is the support of this. This is the chart where it is showing, so we can find out what is the support, main support. So this is a daily chart. In this chart you can see one level where the crucial actually, so this levels, you can see this level around 670. It was touched on the previous time also, the low 17th 2016 February. This level has come and again it revisited this pandemic time. So we can see we can draw one support line here. This is, we can keep it as a good support for this transition. Around 680 or 670 will be treated as the good support for this. So we can keep this level here. 607. One more we can draw. Okay, 600, and this line we can keep it as a support for this transition, this equity. Now this time if you are noticing that the same level approached this time also, from there it took the support, the same level it supported. If from there slowly some buying has started. So now it has touched, last day it is closed around 926 level. This level is showing 926. So now this closing price is 926, and what kind of calls we can take from this, that we can analyze. So first we'll find out from this what kind of support. We can draw one support line here also we can draw one line. This line will be we can draw one line from here. So just keep in mind that this level will be one support level now, 850 to 860 level. If it is some kind of profit booking has happened also, maybe this level initially will act as a 850 to 860 level as the support level initially. Secondly, why this is selling is coming here. Suppose this trend has started, we'll use here retracement. So this fall has started from 1379 to 658 or 670 level. If suppose we are keeping the low level as 656, this level, then we can identify that this resistance level itself is coming, the first resistance is coming around 1100, sorry, 1010 or 1020 will be the first resistance. So this has almost reached near to that level. From there it started selling off. So this is reached 995, touched the high. From there slowly the profit booking has happened. Now whether this trend will continue or something, we can analyze with some other things also. So initially you have to notice that whenever these things has come, this level approaches, then there is a buying opportunity is there. So in this case we can buy, or we can create some buying over here, and our stop loss should be, the main support level is 660 or 670 is the level, main support. So that level we have to keep it as the initials, more our stop loss or something. Then if you are carrying this position for long term, then we can expect some bounce back from the current level. Because if you are seeing here, when it has touched the lower side over here in 2016, then you can see all the upside, the higher high and higher lows will happen here, higher high, higher lows. So this was in the continuous trend, and it touched the high of it was this high level has marked 1600. It touched from 677 to 1600 span, around 3 years. 2019 it touched this level. From there this small crisis has happened, corona crisis. From there some kind of correction. So if you are analyzing the chart, you can see that this is continuously showing an uptrend, up movement for this company. So we can also keep in the same direction, that we can also go long from this, because the main support here around it is coming 670. So the main support level is coming here, so 670 level. So and initially one support line also coming here. So and we can use one more tool, that cloud. We can, why this level is resisting here. Suppose we are keeping this cloud also, we can see that in cloud there is resistance level. So it was started selling or profit booking from this level itself, that you can see it tried to break 984 to 995 it has touched. So 980 to 1000 level is a crucial for L&T immediately. If that level breaks, we can see good upside momentum, and the second level we may expect 1100 level also. It can go from 1000 if this level broken. So this is in a small resistance level now in the cloud. So cloud also it is showing some resistance over here. So once this has broken, it tried to break here but nothing has happened. So but this last day closed with a good bull candle, and there is a near to that level there is a support level is also coming, good support level, 850 to 860 level. So keeping in these points in mind, that if this breakout also happens, of the cloud breakout also happen, then we can expect some good move from this L&T. So we can see what are the points we have highlighted here. So we have mentioned first support, that is around 670, we have kept it as a main support. Second support we have 850 to 865 in this correction or in this retracement profit booking. So the now slightly down 850 865 we can keep it as a second support, and the first resistance 1000, that is 1020 level. Why it is? Because the retracement level is also showing resistance, then cloud resistance is also showing that. So 1000 we can keep it as an S, and the second resistance once this level has broken 1100. So once the cloud and the 1000 level broken, there will be a good up move. We can expect from this stock. Now we can look the second share, Sun Pharma share. If you are seeing your chart, you are seeing, then you can see a good sell off here happen from this level. Actually this level is showing 1100, around 1200 level. Sun Pharma started continuous falling. This was marked on around 2015-16 level. From that level onwards, the continuous selling will happen in Sun Pharma case. Once it has supported somewhere here around 422 level, then retraced to 664 level. But again that trend has broken, again the support level has broken, then selling has started, and the low marked a low around 303 or 305. It has touched the low. Now we can see what is the possibility of this script from the current level, whether it will go upside, because last few days we have seen that the pharma sector is rallying, and we have seen some kind of upside in this script also. So whether that kind of momentum will continue, or whether there is any that kind of momentum will continue. So this was continuous selling were happening. So whether that last few days we have seen that the pharma sector is rallying, so whether that Sun Pharma is also following the same rally. So we can analyze whether this trend will continue for pharma sector, or especially in Sun Pharma and all. With this we can analyze something. So here one major things we have to see, that if you are taking, this was in a continuous downtrend. So if we are drawing from the upside to one trend line to downside, so we can see that if you're connecting the top of one and again this top, then if you're connecting these two main points, you can see that it slightly trying to break, and it finally broke on this level. So here you can see the Sun Pharma's chart is showing that from top level, from this correction, they were continuously resisting all these lines. Once this has broken, this trend line has broken to upside, then it is showing some kind of correction, and some kind of retracement we can see from this level. So if keeping in this mind, what we can do is that why this now we can see that this level has broken. Now it's showing that this level has broken for here. So we can do one thing. If we are taking this tool, retrace trend line, we analyzed with the trend line how this trend has broken. Now we can analyze whether this trend, what level it can retrace, that we can analyze from this. So suppose we are drawing a retracement from this level, the top level to the bottom level, we can analyze 520. This is the initial immediate resistance for Sun Pharma. 520 is the immediate resistance. So this, in this rally, it touched the high of 500 and it touched almost near to that. 515 it touched. So 520 is the initial immediate resistance for Sun Pharma. If this level is breaking, then we can expect some kind of upside to 650 level. So we have to wait and watch whether this level it will break this time, because this here also it tried to break, but from there some profit booking or correction has happened, and again the second third time it approached the same level. So that also from there also some correction is happening. So now we have to wait whether this level will break. Now again, secondly, from this current level we have to wait 520 level will break. If 520 level is breaking, then we can hold the position for a 650 or 600 level. Now again, if you are looking, another thing is that these levels were continuously resisting earlier, or now you can see support here. If you are drawing a support line here also, this connecting this level, here it is supported, you can see here also supported. Then it was trading in almost in a sideways movement. It was in a like a small channel it was trading. So here and all, now once this is level, both are coincided here. So once it has broken here, so trying to break this 520 level again, once it has broken here, then it is trying to break the second level, it's trying to break this level 520 level. Now again from there it some correction happened, but the support level will happen around 430. Now it is going again upside and it tried to break the same 520 level, nothing has happened, so correction is happening. Now we have to see this 430. Keep in mind that this will be immediate support for 430 level, will be immediate support for this Sun Pharma. From their level we have to watch 520. If you are holding a position, keep in mind that 430 will be a immediate support for this, around 430, and we can keep like 520 if it is breaking 520 level. If this share is breaking 520 level, then we can see more upside from this movement. So we can use one more tool like cloud. What it is saying that cloud, once it is broken, now this around 430 450 level, it is showing the support for this Sun Pharma. So this Ichimoku cloud also showing the same support level, is coming around 430 to 450 level. Now we can use moving averages here. So what kind of call we'll get in this time? We were it was in a sideways movement, so it was nothing is giving you except some kind of small call. But finally this has broken this trend line plus this resistance level. Now the cross line, this is simple moving average and this one is weighted moving averages. If you are noticing itself, you can see that simple moving average is far from the price level, but the weighted moving average, it is so close to the price, it's moving along with the price actually. So here what happened is that once the moving average is broken, that simple moving average and weighted moving average breakout has happened here, crossover has happened. So here the weighted moving average crossed from lower to upside this simple moving average. It is showing a breakout or the crossover here. This crossover is showing some kind of buying signal also here. So in moving average also showing that one breakout is happen, one crossover is happen, it is showing some kind of buying may happen in this case. Because if you are seeing the continuous trend, you can see that simple moving average was showing a downtrend continuously. It was showing a downtrend here, but finally this has broken from downside. Here also it's broken, small kind of upside has happened. From this level also it has broken, so now it is turning into upside. So there may be some kind of buying may happen in this case Sun Pharma, and we have to see crucial level of 520. If 520 level is breaking, then we can expect 650 level also for in this case. So that's what about this analysis, the Sun Pharma analysis. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video and if you are able to understand something from this, you can able to analyze with your own skills That's one success for this video actually. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.